Okay, so I'm sure that we're all aware that there are challenges in our society, like social, economic, and environmental challenges that we haven't yet solved. But a lot of people don't know that the information to solve these problems are out there. It's just hard to access, and these data statistics are often very complex and hard to navigate. And currently, there are no AI-powered analytical chatbots that can process this information. So what we did was we created an AI chatbot called Earth Agent, and essentially what it does is it takes existing satellite information from Google Earth Engine, and then it'll analyze it and then process the satellite information via AI and then spit out easily accessible knowledge. So you might be wondering what Google Earth Engine is. It's basically a satellite data set. You can see like climate, temperature, agriculture, and population dynamics on it. So yeah, basically what we created was an AI chatbot that will bridge the gap of this informational issue, and it'll create inaccessible and complex information into simple and understandable.
Right. Does anybody want to come up and try it out?
We're just still estimating to
Yeah.
type in this or map creation.
Yeah, so like essentially what it does is like what like statistics you want to see visualized on this map. I don't know, like population, topography, I don't know.
Yeah, how about an elevation map?
Yeah, we could do that.
To go in demo. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I need volunteers. I don't know. Elevation map, different states, average to the square mile. Is that, I've never used it before. Does that seem fair? All right. Cool.
Whoa. I think my API key might be gone. Um, yeah, that's my API key. It just happened to run out. I mean, I'm not gonna really. I mean, I guess I could. It's recording. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. I mean, I can get rid of it later, right?
Yeah, you can revoke the API key.
3 minutes.
For like 10 minutes. That's it. GP. Wait, no, I'd have to plug in my credit card information. I'll share yours. Does it inject though?
No.
Oh, I'd like elevation.
Maybe my battery's low.
Like this into or
It's power.
under right there, the sharing icon just went live.
Okay, wait, mine works now. It was just the internet that was
works now.
bad. Yeah. Alright. So I guess I can do this again, but that is Mike's prompt above. And then all you do is just generate the code for the visualization. Um, and yeah, so it gives us our code, and then we can directly inject it here, and we can just run it. Hopefully,
Sweet.
yeah.
What's the prompt?
So I think here it did have some trouble, but in the other, like we have other examples, so like it's still running.
Choose the inspector to see the layers.
Right.
Wi-Fi is really slow.
Yeah.
Because Hackathon is still running. You guys just.
Still running.
Maybe I picked bad prompts. Yeah, maybe go with the free can one. Sorry.
I mean, like these are some other visualizations that is able to create. So like population density in Texas, give like a pretty high definition graph or diagram, and you've got like elevation of Mongolia, which it just automatically gave, and so, like it can even do like flight paths, um, and just like anything up to your imagination. Um, okay, Chuck.
Could you do bison migration paths in the Midwest?
We can give it a go.
I mean, I did the so is this could come since it's the one for it's Google stars. And then you can sort of
I think yeah, it might have trouble with the data set because it does pull up old ones. Yeah, the data set just I guess is too top secret. Any questions or further requests? Yeah.
I have a question about Google Earth. So like the data, is it coming from Google Earth or your prompt like finds the data sources?
Yeah, so the prompt is able to
Find the data source inside Google's databases.
So Google Earth gives you like access to the data.
well, yeah.
But Google Earth or Google database?
It's Google's databases. Wait, actually,
It's a Google Earth data catalog. We have share
Oh.
data.
Because getting data from like the internet and overlaying it would be super hard. But okay, I get it.
Yeah. So the data and the computer results they're together. They're connected together. So that's why that's at the big scale. But the data is it's a lot of data, but it's still limited. And the prompt will generate the data location over there. Again. URL.
one of the key issues is that OpenAI doesn't really know what are the good databases names. And the failure with the Python is that it doesn't know which database to look for inside the catalog. We might improve it with some search function later.